if you are a filmmaker, right? Because they have to pay money, and they have to, they are paying the money and they are saying it. If it is bad, they'll, right? So you should have a story. Then what all things you need for making a good film?
Money.
You need money. It's very important, right? If you have no money, what to do? You will sit and dream, right? For that you have to find a good producer. For getting good producer, you need a good, huh? You need a good story. First you have a story, then you need to have a money. Money very important, right? We'll come to that. And if you have a good producer, if you have a good story, then what happens next? You need good actors and, okay. Suppose okay, you are going to be a film director. Okay, you have a good story and you are a millionaire. You have a lot of money. All right. So your next process is you have to find good actors. Who will be your first choice? Stand up and you can share. Who will be your first choice? Okay, but still, suppose it's a drama, a family story, right? Father, mother, then a daughter. She goes to the school, finds a good boy there. Then happens, both of them fall in love. Parents are against them. Then big fight happens in the family. So this is, suppose this is a story, right? Then who will be your choice? Oh, Anushka Sharma, right? Then on the male part, Ranbir Kapoor. All of you are after Ranbir Kapoor, right? No other actors in the Bollywood. Okay, I appreciate.